Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be giving you a tour of our Airbnb, which we have been in for 3 nights now. We're not able to film one when we got here, so we're going to do it since today's the end of our stay. So let's get right into it. The Airbnb we stayed in has an industrial feel to it, and so I'll just give you a tour without saying much. So once you walk in, this is the door right here. You get into the entrance, and it has this skylight up here, which brings light in even if you have all the switches up. We also have this nice plant here and this open space. So once you leave the entryway, you come into the living area, which is right here, and we have this couch, which is also a sofa bed. We never got to use that sofa bed, but it's also folds down to a sofa bed. Right here we have our TV, which has the Netflix and regular preview TV. Have a nice rug and a nice photo right here. And this is the living area. So moving down this way, if you go this way, I'm going to start from here. You have your kitchen area as a whole. And so we have this bench with, I don't know if you can see, we have some stools, so 2 right here, 2 on the other side. And we have this light, nice light here, and also our stove right here, which is for cooking. There's also an oven right here. When we came, there was like a bowl full of fruits, but it has been eaten. There's also this open shelving with like tea, spices, and also biscuits. We never got to use that, but that's alright. Right here we have our fridge, and they gave us also some milk, some eggs, and bread, which they're all gone. But over to this side, we have the kettle, the toaster. You have this for your coffee, a big nice sink right here. And inside the drawers, there are like pots, pans, cups, and everything you need for a good stay if you like to cook. Now, leaving the kitchen area on the right is our bathroom, and inside the bathroom we have like the shower, full-size shower. It's a very nice shower. We also have our sink here and our toilet. And if you want to close this off, there is a sliding door. So you just do this and it closes it off. We also have our mirror right there, which has light on for me, but you can also turn on the light and the fan. Yeah. And before I take you to the bedroom, there's, like, if you haven't noticed, there's a lot of wood and mustard, yellow, brown, and cement, so it's very industrial. And now I'll take you to the bedroom. So coming this way, we have the bedroom, which you can also shut the door to divide it from the living space. It's really shut. But once you walk into the bedroom, on this side we have these drawers where you can store your clothes in here. They're basically empty, so you can store your clothes. We also have some hangers here for hanging your clothes if you wish. And then we have like the ironing board, we have the drying rack. We also have more storage in here with our iron right here. And then over to this side, we have the bed. I believe it's a king size bed. It is a king size bed. And it was very comfortable, I can tell you, because we've been here for 3 nights. It was very comfy, but very nice. I also like the feel in the room. It's sort of like a moody feel, but I like the feel once you're in the room. And then on the left side, we also have our bedside table with our lamp. And on the right side, the same thing. And then if we come over to this spot, we have more towels provided. I like this little nook right here, but it has more towels provided, tissue, which we have used one of them. And also, I didn't say that on the bathroom, but we also have like the shampoo, the body wash, and the conditioner in it. But then you go over to this side, you have more towels here, more tissue, more sheets, and any extra bits and pieces you will need. And then if you come down here, take a step down, we have our dryer and washer, which we used and which came in very handy. So yeah, that's it for the room. It is spacious, it was comfortable, no issues. And we also have, lights if we want to open it up. But yeah, so yeah, that concludes our Airbnb tour. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. I will put the link to this Airbnb in the description box below. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.